Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a video on these beautiful Via Rail switchers. Some people call them Via Rail cows, or cows I should say. Anyway, these are Via Rail switchers. They're DC. These ones are DC. I do have a DCC switcher that is over here. This one here, number 203. And we're doing some truck cleaning today. I haven't talked too much about my truck cleaners in the past. Oh, well, one of them I have, the Walthers. So let's slow these down a bit here. I don't need 3 to pull these truck cleaners. One could do it, but I just thought I'd showcase these 3. Oops, anyway, I'm gonna stop it here. This one is a Walthers truck cleaner. It has this pumice stone at the bottom. It's quite heavy. There's a lot of drag to it. This one here is a Minitronics Electric Clean 2 track cleaner. It's an electronic track cleaner. There's a little button here. You turn it on and off. And you're supposed to run it for at least 10 minutes, it says on the instructions. And at full power, you see the red light on there. It's kind of hard to see the bright lights on, but you can kind of see it there. And these little diesel switchers here are just DC analog. Let's slow them down over here. Very nice, smooth engines, very quiet. Let's put them in reverse so we can see the backup lights. There we go. That's nice. Slow it down here. Going up with a double crossover. Very smooth, very nice. These little DC diesel switchers are very beautiful. Via Rail. Very good slow speed too. Very quiet. Let's go to half speed, 50%. Yeah, like I said before, I don't need all 3 to do the truck cleaning today. I've been running a lot of steam trains on my layout here, and I get a lot of oil or smoke oil on them. And I thought I'd do some truck cleaning today. By the way, this is a cab forward, Broadway Limited Imports cab forward. I don't have an MTH cab forward. I know that they made them, but I don't have one. I would like to get one though. So we're going to slow these down here. These are just analog, like I mentioned, they're just DC engines. Let's see. Here, I think this is the slowest I can get them to go at. Yeah, they are moving. and they're very quiet. You can't hear the motors hum or anything like that. Very quiet, very smooth. Even at high speed, even going over the double crossover there, it's they're very quiet. Even at full speed. Very nice, very smooth. And I'm going to slow them down over here. And then I'm going to keep them running after, but I just wanted to stop them here to showcase them a bit. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.